Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR35 in the medium wheelbase. This van comes as the Trendline model and features the all-important business pack. The van features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This Crafter is finished in the classic candy white colour, and across the front of the vehicle it comes with some front parking sensors built into the front bumper. The van sits on the 16-inch silver steel wheels and comes with a full-size steel spare. The van also comes with a high roof, painted in the body colour candy white. Dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors. Paired with the high-mounted rear-view camera up top, this allows you to make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. To the rear of the van, this van comes with the rear barn doors, complete with the 270-degree hinges. The load area in this van is in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points, as well as a heavy-duty wooden flooring. Taking a look from the single sliding door located on the passenger side, the van comes with a full steel black bulkhead, as well as a step allowing access into and out of the van. Up front in the cab there is a driver's chair with a single armrest, along with a twin-seater front passenger bench. There is plenty of leg space for the two front passengers, as well as some excellent creature comforts such as this 12V and 2 USB-C outlets. The van comes with some excellent climate controls, including climatic air conditioning, and the van features a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system. The van also comes with a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. This vehicle comes with minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.